Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make an origami squirrel. They eat nuts. They store their nuts in the winter. I'm sorry. What you want to do is fold and unfold the paper in half both ways. And then fold the bottom and top to the center. Both sides into the center and then unfold them. Oops. Fold all the corners down. Open up each pocket of these flaps and swivel fold them flat. It's news to me that there was a swivel fold. Apparently, this is what a swivel fold is. And now what you want to do is flip your paper over, and then as far as I know you should like take this edge and fold it over to the center crease here. Now what you want to do is take this edge and fold it over to this part here. And then for the second flap on the left, you align it with the flap that you just folded. Now what you want to do is fold the paper in half, bringing the bottom in behind. Just like that. And now what you want to do is inside reverse fold. Make an inside reverse fold, forming the tail of the squirrel. Then now what you want to do is form the snout of the squirrel. Just open up the snout and then fold a little bit with the tip down like this. Then now what you want to do is open up the tail and then fold the tips over to the center like this. And then just open up the snout and then fold a little bit with the tip down like this. Then now what you want to do is open up the tail and then fold the tips over to the center like this. And there you have your origami squirrel. It's optional for you to put in eyes. I just put it here because, well, I have too much eyes to not put on human bodies. I'm sorry. Anyway, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.